So basically, when you open up Canva, you create a new design. You use the fonts 1080 by 1350. That's actually the Instagram size. And you hit on create design. So for today's video, we're going to be checking out African Geek. He's a YouTuber I came across recently, so let's see what flyer we can try and recreate on his page. Alright, so after going through his page, I found this video and I kind of like it. Let's see it.
Hey everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to create this fantastic, I don't know if I should call it flyer inside of Canva, but we are just going to be learning some new tricks and I believe you're going to learn so much.
So he has Prime, so instead of using Prime, I'm going to be using Monster Energy because I don't want mine to be exactly like his, but I want it to be kind of similar. You understand? I got the pictures of the Monster Energy drink from Monster's website, their US websites. I'll leave a link to that in the description. So the next thing I'll be doing is I'll come to Elements and search for Jungle. I already have it here. Then I'll go under Photos. To me, looking for the right picture takes up most of the time I use when creating designs, because I think I kind of like, there's one I saw. I kind of like this one. Alright, so we'll use this. Alright, so instead of that first one, I saw this one and I liked it better. So now you bring your Monster Energy drink up. Just place it somewhere here. Next we'll look for rocks. Then right now I'm just going to place all my elements on my canvas before I start arranging or doing most of the things. Okay, so I eventually found the rocks I would like to use. I'm using these two. Next up, we're going to search for vines. Alright, so I've seen the vines I'm going to be using. I'll use this, this, and this. Okay, then. Alright, I would also like to use this. So these three is what I'm with is can be making blunders. So basically at this point I'm just going to be fixing up the leaves. Okay, I kind of like this. Then I'll flip it vertically, reducing the size just a little bit. Okay. Do I like it here? Let me first see. I think I like it better like this. Then, not this. This is coming here. Reduce the size a little bit. Okay. I think we should rotate this. Alright, so it looks like it's hanging from the branch. Alright, perfect. Then we'll bring this vine up here and put it on the monster. Try to just a little bit. Okay, it seems good like this. Then we search for leaves. So I'm just going to put these other leaves all around the picture. You can use any leaf picture you want. It doesn't really have to be these ones. And it looks like it's coming from behind the can. This would look nice somewhere here. Also send it behind the can. I think I should adjust it. So I want to put this also so it have like sort of a wind effect. Okay, it looks kind of good. Alright, it looks good here. And I'll duplicate this. I will bring it down here, flip it horizontally, and send it behind the leaf in front. I want to zoom in to make sure it properly aligns. It's looking kind of good. Alright, so this looks okay. Then I'll just add a bunch of leaves over all around. Alright, so basically I just added a few little details to the design. Put this somewhere here. Then I'll bring the monster energy, the back of the can, bring it somewhere here in the design. Remove the background while that is going on. Come here and search for Jeep. This might take a while. There are so many options, I don't even know which one to pick from. Alright, so I found one that I like. I've removed the background already. Just bring it somewhere here. Then send it to the back. You right click and go to layers, show all layers. And just drag the Jeep down here. Take it behind. It should be just directly above the background image. Alright, this looks kind of good. Just adjust it a little bit. Make sure it looks kind of realistic. Looks kind of good. We'll see touch the Jeep later, sure. So this is coming well. Then just bring this somewhere here. I should edit this. It's looking too bright. Okay, I think it looks kind of better now. Yeah, it looks better now. Okay, so this is here then. I think I should put maybe a leaf pile. No, rocks will look kind of nicer there. Alright, this is coming out well. Okay, so this is looking a bit good. I want to edit this a bit. Alright, it's coming together nicely. No. Just a little bit. Okay, this looks good. This is coming together. Alright, so what we'll do to this Jeep is we'll add blur to it. Come to edit, then select blur, select whole image, then I think 20 should be alright. Okay, it looks good. Alright, this is looking okay. Then for the second monster can, you also add blur to it, but the blur should be less than that of the Jeep. So let's say 15. Let's see if 15 is okay. 15 looks kind of okay. Alright, so let's just make it 12. Okay, it looks good like this. Then I think for the whole image, I think I want to add a little bit of blur to it with 13. Alright, 13 looks good. It looks good. Okay, so this is what is in focus, and every other thing is out of focus. Okay, this is starting to look good. Now let's add text to our design. So you press T on your keyboard for text. I'll just write Monster Energy here. Let's it be spaced out. Alright, and I think this flavor is, what's the name of this flavor? Ultra Paradise. I'll duplicate this, change it to Ultra Paradise. I'll increase the font of size a bit. Alright, so now it doesn't really look good, so let's try something else. Okay, so I did a little bit of playing around and I liked this. So I'll show you how I did it. First of all, I'll select the text I'm using, copy it with Ctrl C. And you come to apps, you look for extrude. Then under main text, you paste the text you want. I want it white. Let me select my font first of all. I think, yes, I use Phantom Fingers. Looks kind of, it's giving that Monster Energy vibe, do you understand? So yeah, I like it. So what I'm going to do, I'll press R on my keyboard, make the square black, click on it again and select gradient. I'll make sure the second gradient color is also black, then reduce the transparency down to just almost 0. 8% works good for me. Then I'll make sure it's at 90 degrees, negative 90 rather. Yes, this seems to be coming out well. Right, let's try something else. Okay, I like how it is. Seems I like how the gradient is. I can also duplicate this, then I'll make sure the rotation is 0 degrees, then just bring it down like this. Then I'll send it to the back, and it looks good like this. Yeah, so press add to design like this. Problem now is covering everything. So I decided to just change the layout and change the color of this one on top of the Monster Energy. Basically what I did was I'll just select it, still in type extrude app, then just change the colors to whatever color you want, then you update elements. So that concludes it for today's video. Shout out to African Geek for making the video. Without this video, this project wouldn't have been possible. I'll leave a link to his channel in the description, and also a link to where I got all my resources in the description. This is IBK, and this has been episode 1 of Become a Pro Graphic Designer using Canva, and I'll catch you with the next one. Peace.